Hello guys, this video will be in English. تحياتي أصدقائي، الفيديو التالي باللغة الإنجليزية، الفيديو باللغة العربية بتجدون الرابط في الوصف أسفل هذا الفيديو. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the latest applications, free application on my website, which is TikTok OSINT, TikTok Open Source Intelligent. How to use this free applications to investigate TikTok accounts and TikTok videos, even music on that video. This application is so handy to help you figure out if a TikTok account is fake or represents someone, a real character, for example, or a real organization. So before we go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. If you like my videos on my YouTube channel, you can go to playlist and pick the playlist that is English playlist. There's a social media playlist and another one for security and so on. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like them all. Okay, so let's go.
A Palestinian developer named Shreateh.
Shreateh is information technology specialist.
شريطة سيكون معنا عبر سكايب.
Security researcher Shreateh.
Systems information pro from Palestine. Maria, I spoke to hacker Shreateh earlier.
Palestinian programmer Shreateh.
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 This is what Khalil did. Khalil is a Palestinian hacker from the West Bank.
من فلسطين فاز خليل شريطة.
Okay guys, as always, to go to my website, especially to the free applications, go to Google and search for Shreateh apps. Make sure you are on my website, which is khalil-shreateh.com, social media applications, because this is the sub website in my website that holds all the free applications, even for Facebook applications, YouTube applications, web apps, Instagram applications, Twitter applications, and many free online applications. Once you got an ads, you can click on the top right corner, on the X from the top right corner to close the ad. As you see here, Twitter, TikTok, Social Downloader. Social Downloader is the online application for my Telegram bot, which allows you to download videos from different social media apps or platforms. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the OSINT for TikTok. Hover your mouse on TikTok and then choose TikTok OSINT. Wait for the website to completely load. If you got some ads, just make sure to close them and make sure you always stay in my website khalil-shreateh.com, because once you clicked an ad by mistake, you may forward or redirect to another website. Go back or open my website back again. Close the ad from the top right corner. The application is easy to use. Let me just resize my camera so you won't get scared from my face. Okay, so the application is so easy to use. Just you need to paste the TikTok video URL and then prove that you are not a robot. Hit get details. So let's just pick a random video here. I will pick this video. Copy the video URL from the top. If you are using a computer, this is just a hint for you guys. If you are on a computer and you clicked on share button here, as you see, and you choose to copy the video URL like this, and you can byte the application and you paste the link. You should make sure that at the end of the link you should have, or in the middle of the link, you should have a question mark. If you don't have a question mark, add it manually. So the better for you is to copy the URL from the top of your browser. Here's the URL, because it always holds the question mark on it. So copy all the URL. I'm gonna choose cut instead of copy, whatever, and let's paste it here. Prove that you are not robot. Come on. Hello. Sometimes this browser lagged, or what happened? What is happening here? Okay, prove that you are not robot, and then click on get details. Just wait a couple seconds and here is the results. Let's go on the results. As you see, the name of this account is Asad Suleiman, and this is the username of his TikTok account, or nickname. Sometimes some people call it nickname. If you want to download the picture, just click on the picture here. It will open on the full size, so you can use this application to also download any TikTok account profile picture on its full size. Down here you will see the country is Lebanon, so this guy is from Lebanon, and he uses the TikTok app in English language. This means that his English language is very good, at least. This is his TikTok UID, user ID, and this is his bio, which is shown up below his profile picture in TikTok app. So if anyone talked to you and said that he's from USA, blah blah blah, whatever, you can use this app to make sure that he lives in USA or he tries to scam you. And you can check his original language. For example, if the language appears to be AR or Arabic, you can make sure that he can understand Arabic. 100% he can understand Arabic, for example. So if he told you that he doesn't know any Arabic word, tell him that you are lying, because I can see that you are using TikTok application in English language or Arabic language. For the music, as you see, this video uses the music from this TikTok account, and the music contains a copyright for Despacito, Remix, Luis Fonsi, and Daddy Yankee. If you want to download the music and for some reasons that some of you guys want to make the TikTok music as his ringtone, his mobile ringtone, this is the most easiest way. You can just click on download the music here, and then you can download it using your smartphone and set it as your ringtone. You can use this online application from your smartphone, even same steps that I'm showing you right now. The video has been uploaded on 24 October 2022. This means that it has been uploaded last day, because I'm recording this video right now in 25 October. Download video, you can download the video without watermark, but you already have social downloader which downloads TikTok video without watermark, and Instagram, Twitter, blah blah blah, hundreds or tens of supported websites. Download cover. This is the video cover. Just move the camera here a little bit. Download the cover. This is the video cover. Okay, and download original cover. What's the difference between cover and original cover? When you upload a video on TikTok, it automatically selects a cover for your video, but you can manually change that cover photo. So this is the original cover, and after the video got uploaded, the owner changed the cover to choose this one, and this because that the owner thinks that changing a video cover, or it is for real actually, if you choose a better cover photo for your video, just gonna help to have more views and more likes for your video, such as this cover photo for the videos on the right corner here. You can change your cover photo, and I suggest you, if you are using social media, make sure always to set up a good cover photo. Even on YouTube, you need to select a good thumbnail for your video, for your uploaded video. Down here you see a statistics for the video. Comments 238 comments, likes, downloads 648 likes, plays over 162k plays, shares over 500, shares on WhatsApp over 200, forwards. Actually guys, I didn't know what is forwards for. Maybe it's for sharing the video between BMs or between friends, or forward. Maybe it's a new feature. If you know what is forward in TikTok, you can leave it a comment below so others can read it and know what is this feature. Favorites, how many this video have been added to favorite? 299. This is for the TikTok OSINT, which I see that this is the best TikTok OSINT on the internet. So don't forget to like this video, because I spent over a week coding this application. give me a headache. And take a look at my YouTube channel for the playlists. Select the social media playlist and security one playlist. There is another playlist which is tutorials. Check them out and make sure to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. See you in a future tutorial. Bye bye guys.